In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and configure the FunnelKit Cart plugin. And this is an incredibly powerful plugin for any WooCommerce website. Let me show you what it can do for you. So here I am on my WooCommerce store, and you'll notice that we have this floating cart icon down here. And if I click this, it reveals my cart as it slides out. It lists the items in my cart, I can enter a coupon code, and I could click to go to checkout. Now, if I go down and I'm browsing, I could add this into my cart, and that slides it out and it updates the quantity. I could go ahead and add this product here, and that's going to get added there as well. And it's also going to let me know how much I'm saving because this product is currently on sale. If I go ahead and apply a coupon code here, welcome, and press apply, it shows me the coupon code has been applied here and the discount that was just taken off. And then it has my order total here in the go to checkout button. Using the FunnelKit Cart plugin, you can also go ahead and add a cart icon to your header. When you click it, it slides out the cart. And you can control where you output this WooCommerce cart in your header. In the settings page, you can select which WordPress menu you want to add it onto the end to. So here I have my header menu selected. And you also have the option to output it using a shortcode wherever you want throughout your theme. Inside the plugin settings, you can also style the cart so that it matches the branding and the theme of your website. Oh, and another feature that you and your customers are going to love is the ability for your customers to go to your website, add something into their cart, the cart slides out, and then they have the ability to pay using Apple Pay or Google Pay. And these are known as express checkout options for a reason. When they click this button on their device, they can then tap one button that will charge their card. The order is placed in your website, and your customer basically skips your entire checkout process. They don't have to enter all their details in your checkout form, and everything that you just saw is available in the free version of the FunnelKit Cart plugin. So I'm going to show you in this video today how to go and configure this in your website so you can get all of this set up extremely fast and again for free. But then once we go ahead and do that, I'm going to show you what's available in the Pro version, which unlocks some features that will help you sell more products in your WooCommerce website. With the Pro version, you have access to upsells and rewards. So upsells are the upsells that you see here on the side of the cart, but you can configure it here with the styles to change the placement of how they appear during your checkout process. Then the other Pro feature, rewards, incentivizes your customer to spend more in your store to unlock things during the checkout process. So here we have a welcome discount where they spend over a certain amount, over $50, and they get a coupon code automatically applied. And then if they spend over this amount, they unlock free shipping. And then if they spend over this amount, they get a free gift. So here, if I hover on this, it tells me to unlock the welcome discount. I need to spend $25, and this is worth $40. So if I click add, that gets added to my cart. I've just unlocked that first reward, and it automatically applied my welcome coupon code for 5% off. And then it lets me know if I spend another $35, I'll unlock free shipping. So if I go down, maybe I want to add the eyeshadow palette to my cart because I was incentivized to do so. And now I've unlocked free shipping, and it's letting me know to reach the next milestone and unlock the free gift reward. I could spend $75. So that's an overview of the FunnelKit Cart plugin. Let's now jump in and go step by step and set this up so you can go and implement this into your website as soon as possible and start benefiting from the features that the FunnelKit Cart plugin can offer you and your WooCommerce store. So to install the FunnelKit Cart plugin, in our WordPress dashboard, we'll go down to plugins and then to add new. And then up here, I'll search for FunnelKit Cart. And then we're going to install this plugin here that says FunnelKit Cart in the thumbnail. And this is going to add a beautiful sliding cart to our WooCommerce store. Now you'll notice that the FunnelKit brand has a range of products here, and they're all aimed at helping WooCommerce store owners sell more of their products. So this one here is the Funnel Builder plugin that allows you to build entire sales funnels inside of your WooCommerce store with one-click upsells and downsells. And then this plugin down here is FunnelKit Automations. This is your email automation powerhouse that you install into WordPress. It's your CRM. It allows you to do all your email marketing and set up your email automations. For example, setting up your abandoned cart recovery automation. And then this last plugin over here is the FunnelKit Stripe plugin that enables Stripe on your WooCommerce store, but also deeply integrates with the Funnel Builder plugin and also the FunnelKit Cart plugin. For now, we're going to go ahead and activate the FunnelKit Cart plugin. So I'll go activate. And now with that plugin active, on the left-hand side, if I go to FunnelKit and then down to Cart, this is where I can customize the appearance and the behavior of the cart on the front end of our website when customers interact with it. So we're currently under cart, and so these are all the settings related to the cart. So the first one up the top is to enable the entire plugin, to enable the cart on the front end of our website. So currently, without it enabled, this is the default behavior of WooCommerce. So if I add something to my cart, it's been added to my cart, and then I could click to go to my cart page, and then I would proceed to checkout. But if I come back here and I activate the FunnelKit Cart plugin and click Save, back on the front end of our website, with the FunnelKit Cart plugin active, we have the cart down here. So now when I add something to my cart, that gets added, this slides out, and I can see everything in my cart. So with that enabled, now let's go through and customize the cart using the settings here. The first one here is icon visibility. And this setting here is where you control the output of this floating icon down here. So you have the option to show it on your entire website, only on WooCommerce pages, or none. And if you were to choose none, you do have the option to add it into your header, which is a setting I'm going to show you how to use a little bit later on in today's video. But for now, I'm going to keep it enabled on my entire website. And for the icon position, it's currently on the right. If we were to change that to bottom left, back here on our website, you can see the floating icon is now on the left-hand side. Now the next setting is the cart heading, and you'll notice that when I update this setting here, it will update here on the right-hand side. So here where it says review cart, we could replace that with what's in your cart, and you'll notice that changed over here. So as you go through and update a lot of the settings here in the FunnelKit Cart plugin, you can use the live preview to see how that's going to look on your website. Now down here, the next setting is to hide the cart icon. And if we hover on the tooltip, it says that this is going to hide the cart icon until an item is added into the cart. So notice how that's currently disabled. So if we go to the homepage of our website, even though there's no items in the cart, we still have the icon showing over here. And if we click on it, it just says there's no items in the cart. If we go back and enable that, so we are going to hide the icon and we click save. Now on our website, we don't see the cart. So your users could go to your homepage, your about page, maybe come in from searching on Google into one of your blog posts, then click to visit your shop. And then down here, they add a product to their cart. And now that a product's in their cart, that's slid out. But if we close this, now the icon shows. And now if we navigate back to the homepage, because an item is in the cart, that is now showing across our entire website. Now the next setting is to auto open the side cart. So that's currently enabled. So if we go to our website and I click add to cart, that slides out automatically. And if I close that, this is incremented from 1 to 2 items in the cart. If we were to go ahead and disable that and click save, now on our website, when I add this to cart, this will update from 2 to 3. So I'll click add to cart, that's gone to 3, but the cart didn't slide out. So that's that setting there. I prefer to leave that on. Now next, we're looking at the coupon field. And for these settings, we're going to focus on the live preview over here. So enable coupon code box is on, and so that's why we're seeing it there. And when your user clicks on it, it slides up and they can enter their coupon code there. Now, if I go ahead and deactivate that, it just removes that element entirely. But let's enable that so we can go through these options. So to display it, it's minimized currently, so they have to click to expand that. But if we go expanded, then it's expanded like this by default. The coupon heading is this heading over there. So here we could update this to say, have a coupon, and that updates over there in the live preview. The next setting is the placeholder text over here where it says coupon code. So you could update this to say, enter your code here, and you can see that's updated. And then the button text over here, it says apply. You have the ability to control that. Now down here, the next setting is the cart summary. So show subtotal, if I turn that off and then back on, it's over here, the subtotal. Next is display savings. And so this is that text up here, you save 10%. So if I turn that off and then back on, you can control that up there. You can also change the you save text, and you can also adjust this text here, which shows at the bottom here. Further down, we have the checkout settings. So this setting here to enable the button icon, that turns this icon on the button on or off. So off and on. Now on the button here, we have the price of the order total. We could turn that off and just say checkout, or turn that on to show the total. And the continue shopping link, if we turn that on, that shows text down here. So if we enable the continue shopping link, back here, if we add a product to cart, that slides out. And if we click continue shopping, it closes it. Now you can also control what happens when they click on the continue shopping here. So I just showed you what happens where we click on that and that closes the cart, so it slides it back out of view. But you could also have them click that and it takes them back to your shop page. If we come down, the next setting is what happens when the cart is empty. So it says your cart is empty, fill your cart with amazing items and shop now. So here, if I empty my cart, it says your cart is empty, fill your cart, shop now. So you can control what is said here, the text. And you can also control what happens when they click on this button. So currently we have it set so when they click on the shop now button, it's just going to close the cart, but we could also redirect them to our shop. So with this selected here to close the cart, here if I click shop now, it slides away. But if I say redirect to shop, with a product in my cart, if I empty it and then click shop now, that takes me back to the shop page. So scrolling back to the top now, that's all the settings under cart. Now the next settings page is Express Checkout, and we're going to look at that at the end of today's video because I want to give you a tip related to that. Also the upsells and rewards, we're going to look at that a little bit later on, but now let's go into the styling tab and focus on changing the appearance of our cart. So as we go through and update these settings here, we'll be able to see the changes instantly over here in the live preview. So the first setting here is the cart preview desktop width, and this is in pixels. And the next one under that is the cart preview for mobile. So this is where you specify how wide you want this cart to be when it slides out on a desktop computer and also on a mobile phone. In most cases, I would recommend just going with the default values here. The next setting is your background color, and that's for the entire cart. And also the button color and the button text color. For the button color, let's go ahead and choose a nice pink color. We'll leave the button text color here as white. Now you can also change the text colors here. So coming down, you can also change how fast the cart slides out after a user adds something to their cart. The border radius of the button over here. So if I set that to something like 25, we're heavily rounding this button down here. And you can import a font family there to customize the fonts just to match your website and your theme. Now down here, the icon style. This changes the colors of your floating cart. So going with this theme here, we could change the icon color, keep the background color white, and maybe we change the background color, and I might change the icon to a shopping bag, keep the icon this size, and the border radius this size so it's a full circle, and you can see we have that preview down there as well. And you also have the option to add some custom CSS. So as you can see, the options here under the styling tab give you complete control to make sure that your slide out cart matches your brand's colors and fits in with your theme. Now I want to go to the cart menu tab, and here we can enable the cart menu. And if I turn this on and then save, if we come back here and reload the page, that's now enabled a cart in our main menu. And if we scroll down the bottom here, this is where you select which of your WordPress menus you want to output your cart at the end of. So here I've selected my header menu, and that's why it gets added to the end of the header menu. And then coming back to the top, we have some options here to customize how this looks, and we can also see a live preview down here. So I might change this to the shopping bag icon. I want to show the number of the items in the cart, and maybe for the cart total, I want to disable that. So I'll click save. Back here, if I reload, now it looks like this. And when you click on this, that will bring out the cart, as well as down here, when you click on that, that will slide it out as well. And also worth pointing out here is that you have the ability to use a shortcode here to output this cart wherever you want in your theme. Now the next setting that I want to show you is under Express Checkout. And this is where we enable Apple Pay and Google Pay. And it's very quick for you to do so. All you need to do is click on this button here to activate Express Checkout, and then click Connect with Stripe, and that will take you through a wizard. And at the end of that wizard, you'll be returned to this page here, and then you just enable the setting here and click Save. So here in Safari, if we go down and click Add to Cart, the cart slides out, and now we have the ability to pay using Apple Pay. So if this was your website and I was your customer using an iPhone, I could click Pay Now, and then it would slide up, and then I could tap Yes, Confirm. Face ID would go ahead, and then it would charge my credit card, and you would get my purchase without me having to enter my details during the checkout process. This is a massive time saver. It's definitely going to increase your conversion rate. And if you want to learn how to do this, we actually just released a video on our YouTube channel that goes into detail into how you can configure Apple Pay and Google Pay on your WooCommerce website. So definitely check that out. So that's everything that you get in the free version of the FunnelKit Cart plugin. And as you can see, it adds a lot of power and functionality to your WooCommerce website. Let's now look at the pro features and how they're going to help you sell more of your products in your WooCommerce website and make more profit. Remember how at the start of today's video where we searched for FunnelKit Cart and we installed and activated the FunnelKit Cart plugin? I also touched on the Funnel Builder plugin that allows you to build sales funnels inside of WordPress. When you go and purchase the Pro version of the Funnel Builder plugin, that unlocks the Pro features of the FunnelKit Cart plugin. So knowing that, if we go down to our installed plugins and I scroll down and I activate the FunnelKit Funnel Builder Pro version, so activate. Now if we go to FunnelKit and then down to Cart, you can see that now this is looking a little bit different. We have upsells that are showing on the side of our slide out cart. So that's one of the Pro features, is the upsells inside the cart. So here under the Upsells tab, that's where we can change the settings that affect the upsells of our cart. So let's go through what those settings are. So the first thing that you can do is turn it off and on. So if I turn that off, this is what our cart looked like in the free version. And if we activate the upsells, now we have this on the side. But you can change the appearance of them. So we have a couple of styles here. Style 1 adds your upsells here in a carousel, so a little bit more compact. Style 2, it shows 2 in a carousel. Style 3 adds them on the side so you can show more upsells. And style 4 moves the carousel of upsells under the checkout button. And style 5 adds a carousel under the checkout button as well. For today, I'm going to stick with style 3 because I like that it shows more products as upsells. Now I'm going to zoom out just so we have a little bit of room on the screen here and go down to this next setting, which is the product recommendation type. So it's currently set to both, but you could show just upsells or just cross-sells. And these upsells and cross-sells are the features that are native to WooCommerce. So if we go and look at a product here, so I go to all products, and then I open up the beauty oil, and we scroll down a little bit, here under linked products, we have upsells and we have cross-sells. So you have the option to show both of them as upsells here in the cart, or just show one or the other. You can change the heading here, so frequently bought together. That's just going to change the heading up here. Here you can choose how many upsells you want to show. Next, you can define default upsells, which if we hover, show if there's no upsells or cross-sells defined for that specific product. So here we have them set to sunglasses and lipstick, and our beauty oil product has no upsells or cross-sells, i.e. no linked products. So if I go to our shop and I go down and I add the beauty oil product to my cart, it slides out, and now we see sunglasses and lipstick as the upsells here. So I could click add. Now lipstick is in my cart. I could even add the sunglasses. That gets added there. But I'm seeing these upsells because the beauty product has none defined, and both those products are set as defaults that show when a product doesn't have any upsells defined. Next, if we come down here, this interface is really easy for you to manage all the linked products in your website. So to show you how this works, the beauty oil, we know it has no upsells and no cross-sells. But if I click here, I could add an upsell. So let's go add upsell. And then here, I'm going to search for my beauty pack. There it is. I'll add it and click add. And by adding it here in this interface, if I go back to WooCommerce and I reload the screen here you can see it updated my product here inside of WooCommerce. And with the upsell added now, if we go ahead and add the beauty oil into our cart, that slides out, and now we have the upsell for the beauty pack showing here in the cart. And we could click add, and that adds it into the cart. So that covers in-cart upsells, and they're going to be a valuable way for you as a WooCommerce store owner to sell more of your products because you're placing more of your products in front of your customer during the checkout process in a highly related way, because these are either cross-sells or upsells of what is in the person's cart. So now that we've looked at that setting, let's look at the next Pro version feature, which is rewards. And rewards relate to this bar that shows up the top here, where people are incentivized to add more products into their cart to unlock these incentives. So the first one that we have here is a welcome discount, where they spend over a certain amount and they will get a percentage off their order. And then after that, we've set it up so that they unlock free shipping after a certain amount. And then if they unlock the third reward, they get a free gift added to their cart. So they have this nice progress bar with a message up the top there that lets them know what they need to do to unlock that next incentive, that next reward. Now, when you set this up, there's 3 different types of rewards that you can set up. And if we click here, it's free shipping over a certain amount. You can apply a coupon code to their cart after they spend a certain amount and give them a free gift over a certain amount. Now, we're going to go through and create these from scratch in just a second, but I want to show you how this actually works on our website so you can imagine how this is going to bring your store more profit and revenue. So here we are on the front end of our store, and let's go down and add a product to our cart. And now that slides out, and it says add an item worth $25 to get 5% off. Okay, well this in cart here is a $40 upsell, so I might add that. And now I've unlocked the welcome discount because it's changed from a padlock into the trophy. And now it's letting me know, add another $35 to my cart to unlock free shipping. Okay, well, if I'm going to do this, I may as well try and save on shipping. I really need an eyeshadow palette, so I'll add that to my cart. And now in doing so, I've unlocked free shipping. And now it's telling me to add $75 more if I want to unlock a special gift. So I could go and add maybe hand cream. And maybe I'll add another eyeshadow palette to get it for a family member. So I'll click add to cart. And now I've unlocked that final reward. I've got the free gift. And if we have a look, the free gift was lipstick and it's $0. That was added to my cart automatically. And it says up here, congrats, you have unlocked all the rewards. The progress bar is full. And as you can see, with the right pricing structure and the right incentives, you could dramatically increase the size of your customers' carts by giving them these rewards. And what's great about this is it is incredibly easy and fast to set up and highly effective. So let me show you how to set this up. I'm going to go ahead and delete what we have here. We're starting from scratch, and I'll click create reward. So the reward type, if we click here, we have those three options: free shipping, discount, and free gift. So I'm going to give a discount here, and this is going to be a welcome discount. And let's give our customers 5% off when they spend over $50 in our store. And to do that, we're going to automatically apply the coupon code WELCOME, which is this one, to their cart. And this is just a coupon code that I've created inside of WooCommerce under marketing and coupons. Next, let's go down and add a second reward. And here we're going to give free shipping, and our title will say free shipping. And this title is what they see when they hover over here. And here it's just going to use our setting in our WooCommerce store where we grant free shipping to calculate that. So in our store, if we're saying we give free shipping over $150 and the person's cart is $60, it just does some math there and lets them know how much they need to spend to unlock free shipping in our store. Now let's go ahead and add our third reward here, and this is going to be a free gift. And our title will be free gift. So when they hover on this, it says free gift. And let's give them a free gift when they spend over $200, and we'll give them the lipstick for free. So we go down and it says when they've done all of that, it's going to say, congrats, you have unlocked all the rewards, which we saw previously. So I'll just go up and click save. So as you can see, by enabling those pro version features of the upsells and the rewards, now when people are adding products to the cart, they're seeing this cart here with incentives to spend more in their store. And then they also have here upsells that will let them unlock those incentives and get those rewards. So together, this is a powerful combination, and it's going to help you sell more of your products during the checkout process and make more profit with your WooCommerce website. So now that you've optimized your WooCommerce checkout cart, the next thing to optimize is your checkout page. And the best way to do that is by reducing the amount of information your customers need to enter in your checkout form. And to do that, you can enable Apple Pay and Google Pay so your customers can tap one button on their phone, you charge their card, and they place their order, again, without having to enter all their details. If you want to see how to do that, this video here is going to show you how to enable that. So we'll see you in that video.